Hey, what's up? Chris Quims here running the Hero Prism. Basically only got two of you in here. Donnie, you've got odds. Knowles, you've got evens. So we're going to copy that list. Scroll on down. We'll go live. Live time is 11:23. 11:23. Drop this list in here. Alright, we're going to roll the dice. Anything over snake eyes and we're going. Here we go. Dice roll at 11:23. Alright, 7 times. Good luck, guys. First time at 11:23. We got Knowles. Second time, Doobie. Third time, Doobie. Fourth time, Knowles. Fifth time, Doobie. Sixth time, Knowles. Seventh and final at 11:23. Winner is Knowles. Takes it with spot number 4. Congratulations, Daniel. Here's your verification code. Coming back here. We're going done. And done time is 11:24. Current time 11:24. Thank you guys and have a good night.